I'm here with Alex. Alex, we've just been discussing a new service we're aiming to provide, the Speedy Install Service.
Yes, so
what's the situation with that?
well, we get a lot of customers who want the studio now, really quickly, for whatever reason, be it an annex for mum's not very well, or somebody who wants the child to revise in a classroom. It's no use waiting until the exams are finished. It's letting your mum and dad get old. So we're going to offer a speedy fit service. That means that you can get the studio fitted really quickly. But what it means is it will be in stock.
Right.
So a 16 by 8 will be in stock, stored in our warehouse, ready to go. So you can't change the design of it. The door will be positioned in the middle. It'll have one tilt, it'll have outside lights, it'll have the blinds. It will be grey, be the anthracite with the merlin. So you can't change anything about it, but we could fit it really quickly. You know, hopefully within 2 weeks, even maybe within a week.
Right. Okay. So initially we're doing it with the 16 by 8 and the 12 by 8.
Yeah,
so this is the 16 by 8.
So this is a 16 by 8, as I say, door in the middle. It's got 2 outside lights.
It's got the outside lights. It's got the blinds.
It's anthracite with merlin grey walls. So this is how it would look.
Could we have a little look inside?
So this is what it looks inside. All finished, all ready to go. So if you want an office and you want it really quickly, then we can offer that service.
Yeah, that's brilliant. Thank you.